Hey guys, what's going on? This is Wayne. I'm going to cut out a very simple cut just to show you how to use this machine here. It's going to be just a regular Schlag SC4 keyway. We're going to roll this all the way back to the starting point. Everything's going to be based off of math and measurements. So to start the procedure, I'm going to make sure that this is in properly. Then I'm going to turn the machine on and I'm going to start counting. 50, 100, 150, 200. So my first spacing is 231, so I'm going to go to the 31 mark. That's my spacing. Spacing dial, this is the spacing. Depth dial, I'm going to mark it on the 300 and then on the 20 because it's going to be a 320 cut. I'm going to slide the key into the cutter. I'm going to come back. Number 2. So we're going to do a 305, 305. Number 3, 290. Number 4, 275. Number 5 is going to be a 260. Fifth cut, 5-pin key. Okay, shut the machine off. Makes such a clean cut that you don't even really have to put it in a brush. I mean, you can just flick that stuff right off of there. Nice and super, super clean. Put our book down, or actually we'll just put our book over here. Digital micrometer, 32. Now here, I'll do it this way so you can see 32. Just exactly what we want. 355, exactly what you want. 290, exactly what you want. 27.5, 27. And 260, dead on every single time. Okay. I'll give you an idea of how accurate that actually is and pull out factory cut keys. We got number 1. 16378. We're already off. We're at 31 for a 1 cut here. Okay. So you're already off. More accurate than factory cut keys. Number 6 is supposed to be 245. It's close. It's about 2410. Okay. Number 3, where we were right smack dab on 290, 28. Number 7, 22. It's supposed to be 23. It's close. But these are factory cut keys, people. Just gives you an idea of how precise this machine is. 2125. Okay? And this machine can stay this way no matter what. If it gets out of calibration, you can reset it right in the truck. That's one of the main features about this. You don't have to send it back to somebody and wait 6 months or a year to get it back and get back in business. What are you supposed to do without a key machine for 6 months or a year or however long it takes? Even if it's a month, even if it's a week, you need to have your key machine ready. To calibrate this, you just undo the screw right here, set your machine up how it's supposed to be cutting, get your mic out, make sure you mic it and it's miking where it's supposed to be, and then adjust the dial to where it's supposed to be. It's just maybe 1 or 2 cuts and you should be able to get it dialed right back in. Same way with the spacing. You can measure your spacing out, use your mic for your spacing this way, and then space your key out. Very, very easy. You'd be able to space it from the shoulder just like so. Okay? Very, very easy. So if you want durability, reliability, ease of use, and probably to never have to buy a key machine again. I've got another machine over here, the Mean Green. This thing's from the 70s, late 70s, early 80s. This thing's probably cut tens of thousands of keys, probably 100,000 keys cut on there maybe. I mean, I can't tell you exactly how many, but I know it's been a lot. And it functions just fine, and it cuts still to this day better than the factory keys. We did a number 1 cut on both of these, and it was dead on. So that just goes to show you right there. You buy one of these machines, it's going to last you 30, 40, 50 years easily with heavy use. And it's going to take the beating. It's going to bang around in the back of your truck, take the potholes. I mean, think about after 100,000 miles on your van, on your service van, you got to replace shocks, springs, all kinds of stuff, all the front end parts, all that stuff. Your machine is taking the same beating inside your van. It doesn't need any new parts. It doesn't need anything. It just needs to be tough, durable, and reliable. And you can tell by these huge pieces and cast steel here and fine, precise machining and the screw depths, you're not going to mess that up. You can't wear it out. So if you're going to get a machine that's going to do just about anything, Medico, ASA, high security, all that stuff. It's got the cutter heads right here that turn and pivot the head. Medico is not a problem at all, and pretty much does almost all the cutting with the one single blade, the 8445. You don't even hardly have to switch blades out. That's one of the problems with a lot of the other machines is you got to constantly switch blades out, and you have that chance of overcutting. With this, there's no overcutting. It just cuts, and it's cut, and it's dead on, and once you have it calibrated in, it's just as fast as any other mechanical machine out there. It's not any slower. It looks like it might be, but once you cut a couple keys and understand how it works and use the blocks and the aids to help you with this, it cuts just as fast as anything else out there. You've got extra cutters for specific foreign car keys, slaughter cutter for safe deposit keys. This one is the 1045. There's not really a lot that you can't do with this machine. I highly recommend it. I don't know what else to say about it. It just does a great job. You can actually pick the machine up and drop it, and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't come out of calibration. We'll go do that. We'll go drop it real quick, and then we'll make a cut, and then we'll mic it and drop it and make a cut and remic it again. And it's just a phenomenal machine that's just well built in the USA, hand built here. You're supporting American workers too. So for more information, check out the website below. Check out your Framon, call up your local dealer, and get a Framon headed your way. Thanks for watching.